Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how can we crop the videos by using the CapCut. So first of all you have to just import the desired video project in your CapCut. Once you import the video in your CapCut, you have to just click on the videos timeline to select it. You can also select the section of the video that you want to crop with. Once you select your video or the section, you have to just find an option of the edit in the bottom menu. Click on it. Here among the three options, just click on the crop, which is the third one. And here you have to just drag this frame to crop your desired portion of the video. Like I just want to crop this portion of my video. So here you have to just adjust this crop according to your requirement. You can also rotate this cropped section. So once you're satisfied with your crop, then you have to just click on the done option at the bottom right. You can see that my video has been cropped successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be quite easy and helpful for you. So that's all. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.